Alright, so today, it's been a minute, but we got some LED light bulbs shipped for free for sponsorship. I'll put their Instagram on the screen. I'll put a discount code in the link, or I'll put it on the description for you guys. So if you want to get these LED bulbs, it's basically HID converted to LED for your headlights. So you do have to take the whole headlight out, and it's just plug and play. So it's got to take the headlight out. And so basically, so far, we just disconnected the bumper and disconnect this bolt right here. Disconnect that. I have to disconnect this one. I'm gonna get the headlights out and then disassemble them, put the bulbs in, and then see how they look. All right, so what we did, we took the old module off. So this piece right here, it's all kind of like disconnected. The bulb can disconnect, but this is connected to the bulb itself. So we disconnected the old one. Disconnected it, took the cover off of it, so you can slide the old cable through. So you slide the old cable through, and then now this will plug into here, and then this will plug into the bulb itself, and then the bulb goes into here. So we got one headlight in. This one is the LED, and this one is the HID, and that's also been, this one's also been upgraded from OEM, so gives you an idea of how much brighter the LED one is. So yeah, this is more white. The camera's not picking up, but this is more white. That one's a bit more blue, but that's definitely brighter. Yeah, you can tell because it focuses on that one more than it can focus on this one. But I guess we'll see at night. Yeah. Oh, I didn't put this back on the other one actually. Maybe just disconnect the cable from this.
Yeah.
Now everything's back on. And this time I remember to put the cover on it. So don't know what that actually does, but just plug it in, make sure it works. You're just gonna hold it while I plug it in. Yep. Sweet. Yeah, it's pretty bright. Alright, so headlights are in, and the bulbs are in. Both on. Definitely a lot brighter. Alright. Oh, you can see the difference on the garage. Yeah. Alright. Yeah, I can't even focus on them. Alright, cool. Alright, you can turn it off.